Hi, you welcome to Financial Freedom Hub. My name is John Kennedy. In this video, I want to show you how to three ways to accumulate your in-game euros in the Battle Bulls play to earn game. The Battle Bulls play to earn game is a Telegram game where you can play and then you can earn tokens that you can easily exchange on exchanges. On the 16th of September, there is going to be the official distribution of the airdrop, and then on the 1st of November, the token or the coin will be listed on exchanges officially, both on decentralized and centralized exchanges. So take note, on the 16th, about 3 days away from now, is going to be the distribution of the airdrop. So even if you are not smart enough to join and you miss out on the airdrop, you can still continue to play the game, and then you earn, and then you can change your tokens into the bull split token, which will be officially launched on exchanges on the 1st of November 2024. But in this video, I want to show you quickly three ways of accumulating your in-game euros. Now, there are two currencies here we are seeing. The first one is the in-game euros. Let's show you this one here is what you gather for tapping or playing the game. But what is going to determine how much you earn is what is here, earn per hour. I'll do another video and then I'll explain the earning per hour to you, and then why you must focus on it and how you can convert the in-game euros, which is down here, into the earn per hour, which is the actual money you are going to earn. For now, I want to show you how you can increase the number here. Three quick ways of increasing. All right, so number one is tapping. The tapping is done in this place where you tap any space here, and then you begin to accumulate. Once you are tapping, the energy level here begins to drop. So it's 1,000 over 1,000. And so once you begin to tap, it will tap and then get you 1,000 euros into your balance. And then it will replenish again and you tap. So tapping is the first way to accumulate your in-game euros for the playing the game. And so I want to show you another fast way of increasing the tap. When you look at the top here, you will see that at the basic level, you can only receive one token or one coin per tap. But I want to show you how you can play smart on the system, and you can gather even at the level 1 or first rank, where you are only limited or you are only qualified to receive one tap, one coin per tap. I'll show you that you can multiply that to 3, 4, or as many taps as you want per one tap. All right, so let's look at it. So you see, once you are tapping with one finger, no matter how fast, you see that it is one per time. But if you want to duplicate it, then you can put two fingers, your index finger and then the long finger, middle finger. The two of them will be tapping at the same time. And so you see that you see two rows of tapping there. And then if you can, then you can add a third, and then you can see 3 rows. So it means you are receiving 3 tokens or 3 in-game euros at the same time. 3 rows. And if it's possible and your fingers are small enough to occupy the space there, you can use all the 4 fingers minus the thumb. And then you see that you have 4 rows there. So you can see that the energy level is reducing at a faster pace, and then you are accumulating. So that is the first way of accumulating the in-game euros. The second way is to go to the bottom here where you have mine, and then you have, when you go the space here, you will see N. You click on that N, and then it brings you up here, and then you select your daily task or daily reward. So the daily reward is the second way of accumulating in-game euros in the Battle Bulls game. So what you do is every day you come and then you click on it, so you can see daily rewards. Log in every day with no breaks to get higher rewards. So it is on incremental basis every day. So if you are consistent, it will be increasing. Any day you break, it will go to start from the beginning again. So the first day you see 500 euros, day 2,000 euros, day 3, 3,000 euros, day 4, 5,000 euros, day 5, 10,000 euros, day 6, 20,000, day 7, 25,000, day 8, 50,000, day 9, where we are now, you have 75,000, and then it continues like that up to day 16, which is 1 million. By the time you are able to accumulate all this in the 16 days, it amounts to 3 point something million euros in-game tokens for you. So that is the second way of accumulating or earning your in-game euros in Battle Bulls game. The first one is the tapping. The second one is the daily reward system. And so make sure you don't break. When you break, it begins from the beginning again, and then at the beginning it is smaller. As the days go by, it increases per day. So make sure you remember to take it. Is the cheapest and easiest one to gather or accumulate on daily basis. So that is the second way to earn the in-game euros. So let's look at the third one. The third one is what we see at the top here, earn per hour. And so what you are able to gather at the end per hour is what the system accumulates for you hourly. So I told you in the previous video, if you haven't watched it, make sure you go and watch it, that the system automatically accumulates, or the bot, the Telegram bot does the tapping for you on autopilot, and then accumulates the points for you based on the number that you have in your earn per hour. It means every hour the system will generate those number of euros for you, and then you have to now go and claim them, and then they will be added to the total of your in-game euros here. And then you can use them to increase the balance in your earn per hour again. In the next video, I'll show you how to accumulate the points in your earn per hour, because that is where the money is, where you are going to earn from, not the in-game euros. That one is just like capital, which you have to use to convert into the real tokens that you are going to receive, which is the earn per hour. So these are the three ways to accumulate your in-game euros in the Battle Bulls game. Number one, we said tapping. Number two, we said daily rewards. Number three, the earn per hour. So make sure you do everything. Don't miss out on the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so that when we post the next video, you'll be able to watch it, and then you will learn how to accumulate or how to increase your earn per hour balance, because that is where the money is. So remember, I'm your friend John Kennedy. I'll see you in the next video.